Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Judd Albring and this is ClickFunnels Explained. So if you're here, you're probably new to the world of funnel buildings, you're new to ClickFunnels, but you know that it's probably something you need if you want to grow your business, you want to scale your business, maybe you're a new entrepreneur and you're looking to sell products or services online. ClickFunnels is the tool to do that. And the main reason why is that your current website is, well, it's just a website. And this is no offense to anybody. I still have a website, but it's a glorified brochure. And you'll probably hear people say that. You'll hear Russell Brunson say that. And what it is, it's like if you had, for example, let's say you have a dentist office, and you have on Saturday and Sunday you have people outside the dentist office handing out flyers. Hey, come check us out! Come check us out! Come check us out! Here we are. We're new in town. We do teeth whitening. We do this. We do that. People are just looking at that pretty brochure. They're seeing pictures of your office. They're seeing all your credentials and how great you are and how you do this. And maybe you're a green company and you're that. But that's it. They don't really know what else to do. You've left it in their hands now. Now they might, a couple months from now, find that brochure in a drawer and say, oh yeah, here are the guys I found on so-and-so. Let's go in and check them out. I need to get my tooth pulled or my teeth hurt. And it's the same thing when they visit your website. They're going to see the pictures and the about us and the contact us, and they're going to see all your social links, but there's no real call to action. There's no real direction. So let's say you're running ads from Facebook or Google and you just put a link to your website. Well, they're just going to show up on your website and they're not going to know what to do or where to go. Funnels takes them through a process, right? A sales funnel. You're taking someone from cold to hot. So when you go to build a funnel, I'll show you here. So this is just going to show you all my funnels. Hold on here. Where do we want to go? Build a funnel. So it's going to take me through, I'm going to go through the classic funnel builder. It's going to tell me what do I want to do. Am I looking to simply collect emails? Am I looking to select a product? Maybe I'm hosting a webinar. Let's just do choose emails, okay? Test email. And I'll go to build a funnel. And it's going to lay out the steps of the funnel for me. Now we can get more in detail here if you're trying to sell products, do upsells, different things like that, but it builds out the steps of the funnel. So I need to select an opt-in, and I'm going to find something that's kind of similar to maybe what I'm looking for. Right, this is a pretty straightforward opt-in page. And what's really cool is this is super simple. Now you can add your domain. You can simply go up to the right. I missed it here. Where'd it go? So you could simply go up here, right, and you just add your domain. It's very easy. There's going to be, if you use GoDaddy or Bluehost, there's some stuff that you'll need to copy and send over, but it's pretty straightforward. You copy and paste the API codes and the links. I like to use something separate, like let's say if let's just say it's google.com. Well, if my company's google.com, I don't want to send them straight to my Google page. I might be like googleinfo.com or something along those lines. So if I'm running ads on Facebook or wherever, but still everything's going to look the same. My colors, my little logo is going to be the same. If I want to take her out and put somebody else in, I can simply click this and I can grab another image, right, and put it in there. Okay, I can take this, change my logo out. I can simply go in here and change, whatever I want. I can also change the look of the size. So this is all super user-friendly, drag and drop kind of stuff, guys. Right? I can change the color of the button if I don't like it. So all that stuff is straightforward. But the key thing to understand here, and why funnels work, and why everybody's really starting to grow towards funnels. I mean, you've got, Tony Robbins and guys like Grant Cardone, big players in the business, are going to people like Russell Brunson to build funnels for them because they know the power in it and what they can do. Because your funnels are taking people on a journey. They have no choice but to go on this journey. Now they can click off, but it's very clear what we want them to do. Yes, I want to grow my business, click here. And then it's going to take them through a series of steps in the funnel. Now you've got them on your email list. Maybe, you sent them maybe a lead magnet or something like that. But most traditional websites, if they do have an opt-in for something, it's like sign up for our newsletter, get this quick PDF, get this, but then that's it, right? It's like the process is done. Funnels keeps them going Well, through a funnel, right? Taking them from a cold to a hot lead and ultimately getting them to buy. So that's why the funnels are so crucial and so important. I hope that explains funnels in a quick, easy to understand way. You also have all your stats, which is crucial here. So you know where your funnels are working, where they're not working. You can adjust them. You can also do split test of your funnels. So I can simply create a variation here, go like this, and this is really important too. And then what I can do is I can say I want 50% of traffic to go to one, 50% of traffic to go to the other. And then what I would do is go in and edit this and just change the headline. Okay, I do a new hook. All right, why are people, one hook might say like how to generate, all right, see how I generated 235,000 visitors in a month. And then the other one might say how to generate 235,700. So my guess is most people are going to say is I want to know how, right? How did you do it? And then you can split test, and when you go to your stats, it's going to give you the different stats for your controlled, which is your original, and your variation, and it's going to tell you. So then you know over time which one to select and which one to use. So funnels are super, super powerful, guys. If you're a numbers person, it tells you down to the T what's working and what's not working. And there are hundreds of different types of funnels and things you can do. But not only that, once you get into kind of the ClickFunnels world, you get on the Facebook group, you're going to start communicating with other people in your industry that are building funnels, making money, growing their business, changing the world, sharing their message. There's tons of great free training. They do Funnel Hacking Live every year, which is an insane event, which is just growing by the thousands every year. So this company and this product is moving up and up. And in my honest opinion, it is replacing traditional websites for sure. So check it out. I'll put a link below for you guys. You can try out ClickFunnels for free for 14 days. I am an affiliate for them, so I do appreciate it. If you end up getting ClickFunnels, thank you. It helps me keep my page going, helps keep the family fed. Have a great day. If you have any questions, put some comments below. Be happy to chat and enjoy.